One lure, one rod, one man in our ocean full of water. What can he catch? Ooh, fish on! This is a nice fish. Holy hell! Ooh, fish on! Hartman Adventures at them, man. Yeah, what's going on again, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, man, I do a little bit of midday fishing. It's very hard to be doing midday fishing right now, but just got done doing something. So, try see if I can go and do a little bit of midday fishing. On the outgoing tide right now. So, if you look at it right now, the water is pretty low. So, I'm going to walk up on the sandbar there. And I will use one lure rod. So just one lure, this small tiny lure. Like we see what we're gonna hook up today. I'm not sure what I'm gonna catch as yet. So yeah, man, just stay tuned, hit the like, hit the share, hit the subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet, and just stay tuned, see if I'm going to catch anything. Was that a hit? No, I think that was grass. Yep, that was grass. See if anything the closer to shore. Alright guys, fish on. What's this? Oh, nice little barjack. Guess the strategy did work. Alright, calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down. There he is. There he is, guys. Nice little barjack. Yeah, man. This one I go home because this one is for dinner. Nice barjack. Oh, I'm not even eat lunch yet. So, if anything, we can just make up a fire and roast this one funny. Nice barjack. We got lunch. Hey, come back here. Where do you think you're going? Well hooked, you know, guys. Well hooked. He got both hooks into it. This one is definitely lunch. Nice barjack. Alright. So number one down. Let's see if we can get another one. Do have lunch. Let us see if we can find another one. Let's see if we can find another jack. This wasn't a bad idea after all. What's that? Oh, grass. There was something just hopping behind it. It was very small though. We do have some lunch. Still haven't heard any of my bells go off as yet, so haven't gotten any hits on those. See something else following the lure. Something jumping behind it. Very small, something really small was following it. This sun is pelting today, guys. Whew. It's a good thing we didn't carry my hat this morning. I hear this reel, the bearings in this reel are making a lot of noise, so probably time to do some servicing on this reel. I don't know when I'm gonna find the time to do that. What else is out there for me? One lure, one rod, one man in an ocean full of water. What can he catch? Yeah, let's see if we can get anything. Over into the blue. Ooh, what was that? Holy hell! Ooh, fish on! Oh, it's a long jaw. Holy shit! That's a big long jaw as well. Look at that, guys. These guys are crazy. They will bite you for sure. These guys will bite you for sure. I just have to keep him a little bit away from me. They will bite you. Make him go and run. Loosen the drag a little bit. He's well hooked. You know what? It's a bad idea to loosen this drag. Because if he ever takes off in my direction, I can't stop him. That's a nice long jaw. Avant Virginia always down on the beach, I'm always ask me for the long jaw them. And I never ever catch one and give him. Because every time I hook up one, it's like him not there. And when him there, I just never hook up one. See what I'm telling you about, guys? Just take off in my direction. These guys bite. They bite real good too. So it's a good thing I never loosen the lure, loosen the drag, as I said I was gonna do. He's well hooked. Gonna need my pliers to take him off. Normally when I catch the long jaw, I throw them back. But I'm not going to throw back this one. Seems like one barra strike off time as well, you know, guys. He bite up. He's beaten up. I'm going to show you guys how he bite up. Alright. Seems like one barra bite him up. See him tail bite up. Look at him, guys. Yeah. Well hooked. I don't know if the guy up there said if he go want him. I'm trying to wave to him, but he's not seeing me. Yo! He's way too far to hear me. I don't know if he wants this one because I don't normally keep them. Just carry the, just go change jaw, take off the long jaw and pick up my pliers. So now I'm walking all the way back out there. See if I can find a barra over in a blue section there. You gotta be so careful with those fish, guys, because them fish there, they bite like crazy. Temperature of water out here is so different from closer out to shore. Out to shore the water is very warm. Out here is almost, you could say, cold. Very different temperature water out here. Go back searching again. Let's see if this little lure can find anything else today. Why is my rod twisted? Oh, there. There's a reef to the left of where I'm casting. Pretty high, so have to be careful that the current not carry my lure over that side. This lure is somewhat light enough, but it's heavy enough to cast far, but it's light enough for the current to carry it away. Ooh, fish on! This is a nice fish. Fish on! This is a nice one. What type of fish is this? Ooh! This looks like a jack. That's a nice fish. Feels like he's hooked sideways though. Nice. It's not feel like you're hooking in my mouth. Oh! Another bar jack hooked in his tail. Another one. Oh my god, guys, you wouldn't believe this. This hook just barely. Look at that. Look at that. You can see the hook is just one hook that is in the fish, and it just barely grazed underneath the skin. Look at that. Just one hook catching a fish. Oh man. Just a single hook get caught in him. You can actually see the hook from underneath the skin. It was foul hooked. Alright, I'm gonna have to put this one in my pocket. Bad idea, because the blood will be dripping right into my pocket and dripping down my foot. Bad idea. As you guys saw in the last video, I had my fish in, and this one is so fat. I had my fish in the water, and shark came right up on it. That's another blue. That's another bar jack. Now that me have two of them, I don't have to bother make lunch with them. I can carry two and we can fry up. And this can be a catch and cook. This little lure is on fire today. This little lure is on fire. What's out here for me? What else is out here for me? This little lure not going bad today. I've had this lure for, I don't know, maybe 6 months. Probably no, not 6 months. I got this lure in December. Got this lure in December from Josh. Josh brought down this lure for me, and this is actually the first time I am using it. I got 3 of them in the pack. One of them is red and silver. I always go for the red and silver one. And this is the first time I'm using this little green one. And it's, oh, that was a barra chasing it. Whoa, and he's not gone. Let me fish there. It's not normal. I'll drop off in there. Same as mangoes, deep and fish. So you just gone. Alright guys, so I catch my long jaw, right? Catch my long jaw. Left it right on the boat bow. Right? Up here so I left my long jaw, you know. I go back out so and I'm fishing. Catch them two there. Hand get tired, so I say, alright. Done fishing, come back up my boat. Where is my long jaw? Look. Where is my long jaw? Long jaw is nowhere to be seen. Look. You can see that. Nowhere to be seen. Never see no cat up here. Never see no dog. None of them stuff there. Now, take a look where my long jaw is. Eh? And look under this. Look where my long jaw is. You see that? Mongoose. Mongoose climb up on the boat and draw down my long jaw, you know. Draw down my long jaw. How me get to find out is, look at this. Look right here. See the trail? You see it? That's so make me get to find my long jaw, you know. Look on the little wretch there in foot. Look there. Up on their foot. Look at footprints. If you want a long jaw feet, you know, gotta see you go catch a long jaw. Me catch me one long jaw. Eh? Look at that, guys. Bite out piece of my long jaw, you know. I'm going to wash it off so you guys can see it. But look what stop him. Stick. Pulling can pull it through the stick them, you know. So he left it, or either I'm a pull it away and he hear me I come and he left it. You can imagine me go all the way out so go catch my fish. And long jaw come here come thief me fish. I dry away in a bush like a film. Never see nothing go so. Mongoose come here. Come thief me fish like see a film. Look at that. Bite out piece of fish throat. Yeah, so that is it for the one lure, one rod challenge. I was out here on the flats today. Man, I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Was on low tide still, so I got the chance to walk all the way out there. So yeah, I'm on 0% battery now. So yeah man, big up on yourself again. Thanks for tuning in. Remember hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.